Guys, we're gonna be working on this 2012 Nissan Versa. We're gonna be replacing the lower control arm on the driver's side. So the first step would be secure your car, put the e-brake, and make sure you put your maybe like a brick, a piece of wood or something to secure it. And we're gonna start removing the four lug nuts on the tire. These are size 21. I like to put the tire in the back just in case it falls. It secures the tires and instead of falling on my feet or something like that. So now here's the next thing we're gonna be doing. So this is the reason why I'm replacing the lower control arm. The bushing is completely wore out. This size is an 18. The bottom part of it is an 18 also. And the bolt on this side in the back, this is a size 21. And we also have a screw down here. This one is a size 14 on both sides. I'll show you guys how to remove that. Okay guys, so here this is when I remove the size 14 and I'm gonna use a wrench on the other side. It's a size 14 as well to loosen up the lower ball joint. Now I like to put a little bit of lubrication. Any WD-40 or anything like that will work to help loosen up the bolt and the ball joint at the same time. Try not to hit the thread on the lug nut directly. I mean on the bolt, because you can damage the bolt. I'll just put the nut and then you can hit it.
A veces gente que ni la conoce la anda metiendo mano y te la pone el doble acá.
Somos Didi.
Alright, so that's how you take it out. Now you can concentrate and remove this bowl and this one. No he visto. Sí, ahorita que lo saque va a ser. Se va a ver toda la persona.
revienta bien aquí, ¿no?
Sí. ¿Quieres saber lo que se sigue eso?
¿Se ve la diferencia del otro?
Sí,
¿Qué caso?
checa del otro lado porque hacemos Alright, so we got it all set. We removed it. I recommend you to get a lower control lens from the dealer because it's actually cheaper if you get them at the dealer than if you get an aftermarket brand, and you don't get the same quality. Okay guys, so on this side I started putting this line first, this side first. You slide it in, and then when it's all the way you can slide it to the other side. Let me show you guys how to do it. The ball went in.
Ahí está. Esa máquina está impuesta de
So there it is. It's pretty much lined up. Dale más, poquito. Ok. Espérate. Ok, suéltalo. Ahí está. Ya. Okay guys, so I already lined now my ball joint. Once you have it like that, all you have to do is basically play with it, push it. It's okay. And it basically went in by itself. Just tap it a little bit. Don't hit it down here, hit it directly in the middle.
Y va a ser más que quitarse el agua y va a quitar todo otra vez el agua y tornillo.
Nomás este tornillo y este.
If I put this tight to the
Alright guys, so we all set. We just need to tighten up the bolt on the tire, and that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and hope you guys see you soon. Stay better every day.